Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. It's me, your host Syra, and today I'm sharing a free Discord Nitro tutorial with my beautiful viewers. Now, I know a lot of you are pretty consistent with my channel, and honestly, whenever I find something useful like this, I feel like, yeah, this should be shared with you. So most of you already know this very well. Epic Games sometimes gives out free Nitro, right? And guess what? Epic Launcher is again sharing a free Nitro. Now, what you need to do here is simple. If you don't already have an Epic Games account, just create a new one first, log in, and then grab your Nitro. Once you're inside the Epic Games Launcher, you'll see a very clean and simple interface. At the top, you'll notice 3 green ad-style thumbnails. Yeah, those ones. Look at the third one. You'll see something called Epic Extras with free packs, trials, and more. Just click on that. Now scroll down a little bit, slowly, and there you go, Discord Nitro. Under it, you'll see a Claim Free Now button. Just click it. After that, it'll redirect you to the next page where you'll see a Get button. Click on that as well. In a moment, a checkout page will load. Now simply check the agreement box and place the order. Don't worry, it shows 0.00 USD. You're not paying anything. Alright, now once the order is completed, you'll see a thank you message. After this, there's actually nothing else to do here, so just jump straight into the email that's linked with your Epic Games account. Since Nitro isn't a game, Epic won't add it directly inside the launcher. Instead, they'll send you the redemption link through email, and yeah, this part can take a little time sometimes. For some people, it arrives instantly, and sometimes it takes around 5 minutes. For me, the first time I got it instantly, but while recording this tutorial, it actually took almost 2 to 3 minutes. So yeah, that's totally normal. Most of the time, you'll find this email inside the Promotions tab, but you can also just search for Epic Games in your inbox and it should pop up. Once you get the email, simply click on Redeem and it'll open Discord in your browser. Log in to your Discord account. After that, it may ask you to add a payment method if you haven't saved one before. Don't stress, they are not going to charge you anything. For claiming this gift, you just need to have at least $1 or $2 available, I guess, but nothing will be deducted. And one important thing, after claiming the Nitro, don't forget to remove your debit card or bank account from Discord. It won't remove your Nitro at all. It's just to make sure your money doesn't get charged later once the Nitro gift expires, which usually happens if people forget. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and don't forget to drop your feedback in the comments. I really want to see how many of you didn't know about this before.